Alright, a bit of update. I have super glued all the cracked parts. So those parts that are cracked and giving the shape a wobbly shape has been super glued. Yep, I've glued it in to hold it in place in preparation for fiber repair afterwards. You can see this. I've glued it in as well so that the shape is it's not wobbly anymore. So you can't press it too hard because it's just super glue, but at least it's not wobbly. Similarly, this one, you can see that this part has been glued in. It was very flimsical because it was broken, this part as well. It's no longer warping around, and I can hold it in place. This one's quite badly broken, but now, well, at least it's holding up its shape. It is quite badly broken, but I've super glued it. There's a lot of parts that are broken. You see this crack runs along the entirety of the sides into this handbrake area. So what I'll do after this is that I will attempt to build some structures using this aluminium sheets that I've got, so I can fiber over it, and hopefully it will be successful. I don't know if I can get it done, but right now it's time to carry the rims to the workshop and bring back the other two. You can see the rims are done. They're looking pretty okay. Quite nice actually. Loving it. They are very tiny rims to be honest, but well, isn't this the standard sporty rims of that period? Alright, so I'm off to the workshop. I'll see you guys later. Those wheels are here. The brakes are being serviced. The rear linings are being changed, and the pump is also being changed. Start. Wow. Look at that, man. 40-year-old car idling like this. My friend, listen to that. Listen to that. I'm gonna put the camera here. Wow, nice stuff, man. So the bracket has been done. It's very secure now. The whole thing doesn't move. The car is moving. The whole thing doesn't move. The reason why it shorted the other day was because this touched the body. They've done a makeshift rubber cover lah. I think I will mod in a proper one sometime later. The engine is very, very stable. Look at it. Let's just listen to it, man. Look at the way it runs, man. It runs so damn well. Amazing stuff. Lovely. So the thing that got shorted was this, the plug coil. So the plug coil was changed. We changed the plug coil, built a terminal, serviced the carburetor, and the brakes. So the brakes, the rear brakes lining are changed. The rear brake pump is changed and serviced. The front brakes are good, so it's fine. So the car is, well, mechanically almost 100% now. Look at that, man. How stable it is. Seriously, man. Wow. It's a dream to drive, I'm telling you. Absolute dream to drive. I'm just gonna clean this up, and we're good to go, man. The wires are tidied up a little bit. They're not dangling everywhere like on the day I got it. But unfortunately, there's nothing we can do about this. It still has to go through here. Still has to go through here. But that's about it, man. Alright, those wheels are on, man. Nice. 漂亮啊！里面红色，外面金又银，哇 ，nice man. Phew. Now we gotta take off the front. I'm gonna go back and restore them, and then we'll come back and it will look like this. Wow, gorgeous stuff. So as you can see, I've removed the door card there, and I am removing this part right now. Half removed. Once this is removed, I'm gonna go over to the grey car and get the door card over here. Ta-da! So this is the door card of the grey color car. I'll give them a wash because they are in pretty good condition. I'll give them a wash, but the back end I will have to replace. As you can see, the reconstituted wood panel is completely gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this with either a plywood or a reconstituted wood. We'll have a look. I will go and have to source for it maybe in a couple of days. And I replace this, and this blue color ones, blue grey ones, are coming into this car because its interior is blue. So I think the blue grey one will fit this pretty well. So that is coming into this car. And I have also removed the door card for this car. The body, at least the door on the interior, looks pretty good, man. No rust whatsoever. Same for here as well. Really good condition. Just a bit of rust, but so minor you cannot bother with it. So body wise, this car is still pretty good. So that has been removed, and I've taken the red car one and put it here. Alright, the plywood ones are here. I will wrap it again. This one I will wrap it with well, I'll decide what color to go. Most likely I'll go for black. This grey car is going to be a silver car when it's finished, and I'm going to go for a black interior. So I will wrap it with black color leather. And plywood is pretty good, man. It's actually more reliable than that reconstituted wood thing. There you can see the reconstituted wood. This is from the rusted car. This is from the rusted car. I may use this set actually for this, so the wood will go into the rusted car if I manage to salvage that car. So this black color one, as you can see, the leather is still there. I will try to sort this out. Alright, that's all the updates we have for today. I will catch you in the next episode. See you guys. Bye.